Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a tablet banking device works step by step. A tablet banking device is a portable touchscreen system that allows bank staff or customers to perform banking services digitally. It is useful inside branches, at customer service desks, in remote banking locations, and during assisted banking because it brings banking functions directly to the user through a lightweight device. First, the banking session begins when a staff member or customer opens the banking app on the tablet device. The device connects to the bank's secure platform and becomes ready for service. Next, the user selects the required banking service from the touchscreen menu. For example, the tablet may show options such as account opening, cash deposit, cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, fund transfer, bill payment, or loan service. This helps the user quickly choose the exact task they want to complete. After that, the user logs in securely. This may be done using customer credentials, a PIN, password, or authorized staff access. This step protects the banking system and ensures that only approved users can continue. Then, the system verifies the customer's identity before processing the request. It may use an ID card scan, fingerprint, face check, OTP, mobile verification, or account information. As a result, the bank can confirm that the right person is performing the transaction. Once the identity is confirmed, the transaction details are entered into the device. For example, the user may enter the account number, amount, reference note, request information, or service details. This step gives the tablet the exact information needed to process the banking request. After that, the tablet securely communicates with the bank system. It sends the request through encrypted communication, checks the information, and processes the transaction using the bank's connected servers and protected database. Then, the device displays the transaction result for confirmation and approval. The user or bank staff reviews the details, confirms the completed request, and makes sure the transaction information is correct. Finally, after completion, the account is updated and the customer receives a printed or digital receipt. The receipt may be sent by email, SMS, or printed through a connected printer, giving the customer proof of the completed transaction. Overall, a tablet banking device provides portable banking, supports multiple banking services, keeps transactions secure, and improves customer service speed. Therefore, it helps banks deliver faster, more flexible, and more convenient banking support in branches or remote locations. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.